Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Don't ignore. Stay update.
Aging skin can be such a party pooper. As you age, several skin-related issues start to develop. Your skin starts producing less oil, which makes it dry and saggy. Who would want to have such skin? To avoid this, you must start taking precautions from an early age. What you have to do: peel and mash the bananas so that no lumps remain. Add honey and olive oil and mix well. Apply the paste all over your face and neck. Leave it on for 15 minutes and then rinse with lukewarm water. Do a final rinse with cool water to close your pores. Use this mask once or twice a week. Banana is rich in fats that will hydrate your skin and moisturize it. It also improves the skin's elasticity and helps in tightening sagging skin. Honey and olive oil are humectants as well and contain antioxidants that will repair the damaged skin cells.
Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Don't ignore. Stay update.